y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. Alright y'all, so I'm out here in the garden. It's about right at 60 degrees today, so not too bad, especially if you stay in the sun. So I'm like sitting right in the sun. So y'all wait till y'all see the update. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna be before or after this video, but I am about to do something. All my raspberry, my blackberry, let me see, am I gonna do my blueberries? I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my blueberries. My raspberry, my blackberry, my blueberry plants, I am going to take them out of the containers, because where I'm sitting in is gonna be my new fruit area. I'm gonna take them out of the containers and I am going to put them in the ground. Now the reason why I'm doing it is because if I find some blueberry, blackberry, raspberry this season on sale or good price, I'm gonna get them and put them in containers. Okay, but these are my older plants, like 1 or 2 years old. Some of them is 3 years old, and they've been in containers. So I am going to take them because I have a vision of what I want to do for the garden. And this is what I told y'all. You need to be doing stuff in your garden right now before everything get out there on the shelves and all this stuff. You could be redoing your garden. It's so much you can be doing right now. So I'm gonna put the older ones in the ground because I always keep me some new ones. Y'all already know we rent here. We don't own here, so we rent here. So you know, the rental company could contact us and say, hey, he don't wanna, you know, rent no more. The homeowner say he don't want to rent no more, or something like that. Then I always have my backup. So my new blackberry, raspberry, and blueberry plants that I get this year will go in containers. All my old ones gonna go in the ground, y'all. So that's what this video gonna be about. You're gonna see me taking everything out of the buckets, trying not to stick myself, get it over here in this ground, and you know, start it up. I have my little entry that I would enter in through the garden. So yeah, so I'm good on that. So yeah, so with that being said, y'all, I'm excited. Let's go ahead. Hopefully I can warm my body up. I didn't want to put too much clothes on to start sweating, and then you know that could be an issue. So hopefully I can warm up a little bit because I am a little cold. I stay cold. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy this video.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me, like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this, I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me, like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me.
Okay, y'all, so this is one of my raspberry plants. When I was pulling it out, you probably saw it happen on one of the blackberries. This broke. This is because this is dead. When you don't see no green on the stem, it's dead. When this is brown and easy to break, it's dead. But don't throw your plants away because you think they dead. This is what they do. Here's an example right here. That piece came from this. Let's see if I can get y'all to see. When that came off and we pulled it out of the bucket, this is new growth. This is new. These are roots that's going to turn into more. This is a raspberry plant. This is going to turn. This is the part that is old and done. I'm going to keep it in there. I ain't going to do nothing else but put it in the ground. But do not throw away. They will come back, okay? A lot of people throw away their plants thinking it's dead, it's done. This is a piece that's coming up as a new raspberry plant for the spring, summer, whatever, when it start producing. So keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind. Do not throw away your bushes, trees, or whatever. Let them do what they gonna do, all right?
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise.
right, y'all, so finally done. I am cold. So let me show y'all what everything look like. So everything has been put in the ground for is my trees and stuff like that. So yeah, here we go. All right, so I have my blackberry. Listen, I don't know what happened to my little things that said what was what. So I know this blackberry, I think that's raspberry. I'm thinking this is my muscadine vine, but if it is all right. And I think that's a lemon. I'm not sure, but hey, this the fruit area, so it's over here. This right here, I know is my grape, blueberry. I know this is my patio olive tree, but she is growing way bigger than the patio. Okay, so I have her out here, and then right here is my Nola Tangelo honey bell. This is the one I've had for 3 years. That when I got it from the a nursery, not the one I've been going to, but a different one. It had a disease, and I cut it down 3 different times. And after cutting it down 3 different times, look what she's doing. So yes, so this whole area is gonna be for watermelons and all that good stuff come the spring and summer months. A lot of my melons and things over just the fruit area right here. And then right over here in this red thing is my pomegranate tree. All right, so and then of course I have my peach tree, plum tree. These are empty buckets. I'm gonna find stuff to put in. I gotta put one right there to even it out. This I know is a naked cherry. I thought I had 2 of these, but I know this is a naked cherry. And then I have my pear right there. So yeah, y'all, it's coming along. It's coming along. I have another area that's gonna open up. Remember I told you this was the area that opened up, so all the buckets was in this area. So I said, no, we can outline this area and that'll open up this area. Okay, and I'm probably gonna put tomato cages, but in a line like a trellis over here, and this may be my beans and cucumber area. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but they gave me more room and I still be able to use all my buckets. Those buckets right there gotta be filled. My trees came out of it, and that's gonna start outlining this area. And then y'all know this over here is my greens area until it get time for me to stop doing the greens and stuff. Then this will change to something else. Okay, so you see buckets is missing right there because all the trees came over here. So yes, y'all, I'm so excited. So okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope you were motivated. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And also check out the information in the description box below because it has a lot of links to different things that you may be interested in. So with that being said, y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's Jehovah's will. Bye.